आपकी प्रेयर क्या है भाई?
मतलब टू डिक्लेयर अल्ट्रा वायरस ऑफ 24/7/2000
20 how
Sir,
can
5/7/2024
how can this rule be declared ultra virus?
सर on
आप बताइए, जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट आ गया तो उसके बाद ये प्रेयर आपकी फीजिबल है? आप बताइए
सर आई एम ऑन 3 but just my lord I am alone. The notification was published on 19 sir just I will after 2 minutes I will on that.
जी बताएं।
the on 19/1/2024 the notification was published.
जी
Thereafter on 5/7/2020 the dates are very much important, my lord. On 5/7/2024 there was a first amendment, my lord. But the 5/7/24 amendment is at page number 34.
पेज नंबर
34 of the petition, my lord. 35 is this is the first amendment, whereby, my lord, the degree plus enrollment has been added.
ये
Prior to that, prior to this 5/7/2020
डिग्री रही हो,
only the degree was, my lord.
यही अमेंडमेंट है। हाँ ठीक है,
My lord. Thereafter, my lord, on 23/12/2024 the advertisement has been published.
यस राइट।
Then these petitioners were not allowed to fill up their forms.
हाँ सही है एकदम।
Therefore, my lord, the writ petitions were filed and my lord was kind enough to pass an interim order.
ठीक है।
Accordingly, on 21 February 2025 the amendment has been, second amendment was brought.
हाँ ठीक है।
My lord, thereafter, my lord, this now, my lord, the PSC is not issuing the admit card. Meantime, in pursuance of this, I have been fill up my form and now they are not issuing the admit
फिलअप
card.
करा दिया गया, कोई दिक्कत नहीं वहां तक। कोई इस बीच जो है मैटर ट्रेवल कर गया सुप्रीम कोर्ट। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अपने मैटर को सबजुडिस कर लिया और उसके बाद जो लास्ट ऑर्डर पास हुआ है, जो पैरा नंबर 90 में है, अब वो 90 को आप पढ़ लीजिए। जो रूल एग्जिस्ट कर रहा था उसमें वो प्रिवेल होगा। तो आपको तो वी वर अलाउइंग यू, बट आफ्टर द ऑर्डर ऑफ द एपेक्स कोर्ट पेज नंबर 90 पैरा 90 में उन्होंने स्पेसिफिक लिख दिया है, तो उसके बाद फिर बचता क्या है?
Before that, para 60 is also important.
ऐसा है, आज ये ऑर्डर पास कर रहे हैं। इफ यू वांट यू कैन रिकॉर्ड टू लॉ, दैट इज ऑल, because after our interference in this matter,
why I am saying,
after the passing of the order of the apex court, it is not sustained.
No, lordship,
it
why
cannot be done.
My lord, what my respectful submission only, my lord. My lord, before this judgment, my lord, there is the judgment that is of the year 2002. 2002 judgment says there is no necessity.
दीपक अग्रवाल का ना?
No, my lord, Deepak Agarwal is another 2000 All India Judges case 2002. 2013. My respectful submission, my lord, the law.
देखिए, आप 2002 जो जजमेंट ऑल इंडिया एसोसिएशन का आया, ये बहुत पुराना है। इसमें एड एंड सब्सट्रैक्ट टाइम टू टाइम अकॉर्डिंग टू द सर्कमस्टेंसेस अप एंड डाउन्स हुए हैं। लेकिन लास्ट ऑर्डर जो पास हुआ है 20 मई 2025 का, आफ्टर पैरा नंबर 90, with all respect, then nothing remains in your favor. The rule which was existed on such and such on the date of the notification, and the rule was degree plus advocate's registration. That is all.
Sir, this is my respectful submission that before 90, paragraph number 89.
Don't waste time over here.
Lordship, only my lord.
No. Sorry,
the fate of the students and
it will amount to.
My lord, there would be
the order of the Supreme Court. How can we do so?
पेज नंबर 64
भाई हम लोग ने तो खुद ही पहले कर दिया था, फिर दोबारा भी एक हम लोग ने अमेंडमेंट किया। लेकिन जब आफ्टर द पासिंग ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट्स ऑर्डर एंड द सुप्रीम कोर्ट सेज सो दैट इन पैरा नंबर 90
89 का रोमन 9 देख लें सर, 89 का रोमन 9 देख लें सर।
कुछ नहीं, वो सब तो प्रमोशन की बात है।
नहीं 89 का
आप 90 आइए, क्लियर करा है, देखिए जस्ट रीड इट मिस्टर नहीं, यू प्लीज रीड इट। नीडलेस टू स्टेट्स,
needless to all such recruitment process which have to be kept in abeyance in view of the pendency of the present process shall proceed in accordance with the rules which were applicable on the date of advertisement/notification. Now Roman 2 उसी के ऊपर है सर, वो भी देख लें।
वो सब हम कुछ नहीं।
सर
देखिए, we don't want to interpret of the order of the Supreme Court. We are not in a position, we are not in a competent to do so.
It is not my intention to.
No. You should,
my submission is,
Mr. You being the officer of the court,
my lord,
you should not interpret the order of the apex court in your own manner.
My lord, the order.
That is what you are trying to interpret.
No, my lord,
but when after this so much clarification, the honorable apex court has observed that what was the route.
This will apply on next recruitment. My lord, Roman 9 says it would apply on the next recruitment.
नहीं भैया,
sorry.
आप बताइए सर, आपका बताइए, सेम बताइए, जल्दी बताइए। आप तो इनसे भी गड़बड़ है। हो गया मेंशन एक्सेप्टेड, पिटीशन डिसमिस्ड, ठीक हो गया।
My lord, small submission. My lord, just a minute submission.
हाँ बता दीजिए।
My lord, the Honorable All India Judges case, my lord, para 60, 61 and 87 clearly told the enrollment will not serve the purpose.
Sir, you have read this, what we are being repeatedly again and again saying, that after para number 90, there is no scope left except that the rules which were existing on the date of advertisement and notification, that will prevail, and the UPSC has been issuing admit card in persons of the order of the apex court. Though we had allowed you to क्या कहते हैं, fill up the forms, but after the passing of this order, we were already in your favor. But after the judgment of the apex court, we cannot
Lordship,
help
one small
you out
submission.
here. We cannot help you out.
Next recruitment, this is the observation in the Supreme Court judgment.
My lordship,
Sir,
one last
हम
submission.
लोग
My
आज
lordship,
order
one
कर
last
रहे हैं ना?
my
आज
lordship, one
order
last
कर
submission. My
रहे हैं।
lordship,
हाँ, बताइए।
date of notification is 19 January 2024. On that day, I was eligible. My lord, date of notification 19 January 2024.
After this order,
Yes, my lord. Even after that order,
नहीं,
date of
notification
notification
आपका
P1, annexure P1, my lord.
no, sorry sir.
My lord, annexure P1 Urvashi for.
you come, नहीं, पहला जो notification है उसको देखिए ना,
Yes,
subsequent
yes,
वाला तो वो हो जाएगा।
Yes, my lord. Para 90 says, as per the date of notification, notification date is, my lord, 19 January 2024. On that day, the amendment was not in force. On that day, my lord,
नहीं,
only
नहीं,
law
ऐसा
graduates
कैसे-
was eligible to apply for the civil. Please, my lord, annexure P1.
ये
my lord,
आइए,
please.
जस्ट नोटिफिकेशन आ जाइए, प्लीज आइए। 5 जुलाई 2024 को देखिए क्या है, देखिए 5 जुलाई 24,
Before
5
that-
जुलाई 24 वाला नोटिफिकेशन में
Sir,
रिकॉग्नाइज
notification, the posts are notified on 19 January 2000.
आपका जो अमेंडमेंट नोटिफाई वो 5 जुलाई 2024 का
19 जनवरी 2024 का है।
कब का है? सॉरी एक सेकंड दिखाइए कहाँ है?
Your lordship, prior to that, notification was already issued.
एक सेकंड
In para 90, my lordships have told, go as per the notification advertisement.
एक सेकंड जस्ट अ मिनट,
Sure, ma'am.
एक सेकंड
Apply.
जस्ट जो इन्होंने एक चार्ट बनाया था मिस्टर
मैंने बताया था,
खेत्रपाल
first
साहब ने,
chart,
आपने
91
चार्ट बनाया है क्या?
Yes, my lord. Urvashi for, my lord, please have annexure P1. Urvashi.
जस्ट एक चार्ट इन्होंने बनाया था 5/7/24
इसमें नहीं है
को
सर।
ये अमेंडमेंट हुआ था।
Lordship,
ठीक है
इसमें in second petition I have filed the document annexure P1.
सेकंड पिटीशन
My lordship, in my case, my lordship, in my
एक
case,
सेकंड इन लोगों को सुन ले, फिर आपको आराम सुन लेते हैं, कोई इशू नहीं।
my lordship,
नहीं
in my,
पहले तो जरा खेत्रपाल साहब जो आपने डेट एंड इवेंट्स आपने बनाया, जो इन्होंने बनाया अलग अलग है क्या?
अलग सर।
अच्छा, तो आपका तो देखिए आपने बोला 5/7/24, ठीक है ना, फिर उसके बाद 23/12/24 को एडवर्टाइजमेंट आ गया, 23/12/24 को, ठीक है ना, फिर
उसके पहले
ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशंस आपने रिलीज कराई वैकेंसीज के लिए दिसंबर को, और फिर जी
19 जनवरी 2024
19 जनवरी 2024 कहाँ है?
नोटिफिकेशन सेकंड
my
पिटीशन
lordship, second and third petition. P1, annexure P1, my lord, Urvashi for.
एक सेकंड किसका ना, उर्वशी कौर, हाँ।
सुधांशु सैनिक एंड उर्वशी कौर।
अच्छा उसमें आपने नहीं है, एक सेकंड
Annexure P1
जस्ट अच्छा 19 जनवरी है, हाँ ये क्या 57 पोस्ट, ये पहले का है?
Date of notification is prior, my lord.
नहीं नहीं, ये 19/1/24 वाला तो सब्स्टिट्यूट हुआ।
Notification of vacancies.
अच्छा राइट, हाँ
That was not with.
My lordship, in para 90, it is written advertisement/notification, my lord.
Started from the date of advertisement, my lord.
Para 90 may again be seen,
My
lordship.
lordship,
Para 90 of the Supreme Court's judgment, which says notification stroke advertisement.
हाँ।
So the date of advertisement is important.
तो ये डेट ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट तो उस तारीख का है,
December 2024.
December 23 December
My lordship,
2024.
notification was already.
23/12 को, तो
My lordship, notification is already in force, my lord. As per Malik Mazhar case, my lordship, the recruitment
याद
process.
आना पड़ो।
My lordship, I'm seriously, my lord, on behalf of all the petitioners, my lord, this is in clear violation of all India judges.
Sir, we are passing the order, you can take recourse
My
to law
lordship,
if you are agreed.
everyone is dependent on my lordship. The notification
Yeah,
was
the
issued
thing is
before the
that-
amendment, my lord. And
सही
my
है,
lordship,
what they are pointing out, जो आप 19 जनवरी वाली बात कर रहे हैं वो वैकेंसीज के लिए था।
Vacancies का है. And the
वैकेंसी उसमें
recruitment
कोई
process.
वो थोड़ी ना था।
Para 90 may be seen, lordship. Para 90 of Supreme Court's order.
90 तो पढ़ के
Yes,
चार बार तो
उसमें
पता चलेगा।
what is notification stroke
हाँ, तो
advertisement.
admittedly notification
In the January, it was issued in the January, and
they are
advertisement
admitting,
was
my lord, notification is in January.
My lord, para 90 says that it is a recruitment process which is kept in abeyance. The recruitment process would start from the date of advertisement, not the date of notification.
No,
of
my lord, it is
vacancies.
advertisement/notification with humble submissions, my lord. It is
एक सेकंड
Sure, ma'am.
57 पोस्ट ऑफ सिविल जज, ये 19 जनवरी का है, तो उस समय तो नोटिफाइंग द पोस्ट था।
Yes.
फिर 5/7 को नोटिफिकेशन हुआ,
Notification आया.
But
है ना?
notification, my lord, was
उस
before.
समय तो नहीं था, आपका तो उन्होंने नोटिफाई किया था, सिर्फ पोस्ट नोटिफाई किया।
Yes, my lord. My lordship have held advertisement/notification. One small additional submission, my lord. Page number 31 of All India Judges, my lord. One last submission.
हाँ,
my lord.
बताओ।
Page number 31 of All India Judges, paragraph 87. They have mandated enrollment as an advocate. My lordships have clearly told merely provisional certificate of enrollment will not serve any purpose, my lord. And they are still mandating me to get an enrollment, my lord. It is in violation of, my lord.
इतना नहीं
My lordship, my lord have also held in 22nd January 2025, my lord, that only telling the candidates to have enrollment will not make any difference, my
भाई
lord.
all that thing have
My
passed,
lordship,
my
they are
dear.
interpreting against the interest of students, my lord. Everyone is
No,
dependent
no,
upon you, my lord.
no,
Notification was
every-
19 January.
We know everyone is interpreting, but we have been clear
My
in
lord,
our
they are
mind.
interpreting against you, my
नहीं
lord.
नहीं सर नहीं
One-
नहीं,
one la- one- Malik Mazhar, my lord. Malik Mazhar
देखिए,
case.
मलिक मजहर और का वो अपनी जगह है, वो तो वैकेंसीज को फिल करने वाली बात
Yes,
है,
my lord,
समझे
from
ना?
in that sub-
लेकिन ये जो सेक्शन आपका पैरा 90 है ना,
Yes, my lord.
एकदम क्लियर है, एकदम क्लियर है.
Yes, my lord. Even I am there. It is very clear. Advertisement / notification.
But
And
वो
from
आप
Malik,
वो जनवरी वाला नोटिफिकेशन मत मानिए.
my lord.
आप
My lord, the heading itself is notification, my lord.
ठीक 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 ठीक. कितने साल की वकालत है?
3 years.
3 years ना, तो ठीक है ना, चलो.
My expert submission is only to the
we were ready to help you out, dear. हम लोग तो खुद ही एवेन्यू थोड़ा सा आप लोग के लिए ब्रॉडर वो कर रहे थे, but after the judgment of the apex court, we cannot interpret the order of the apex court in the manner in which you want to interpret it. It is
One last
clear.
submission, my lord. One last submission. Why I was mentioning Malik Mazhar, my lord? Because if you will see Malik Mazhar, point number D for the reference of civil judges, from notification, my lordships have held the recruitment process is starting. Point number 1 is notification. They have issued notification on 19 January, my lord. Same thing will happen just like Madhya Pradesh civil judge, my lord. It will actually hamper the entire process, my lord.
चलिए,
Please, my lord, please consider.
we are passing the order. If you want to, you have
At
to
least issue
take
the
it.
admit test to
आपको
everyone,
क्या
my
कहना
lord.
है, आप बता दीजिए. आप एक बार क्लियर कर दीजिए प्लीज. मतलब we are clear in our mind, but just they have spoken a lot. You people should be given an
First of all,
opportunity.
the word notification as occurred in para 90 is concerned, my lord. It relates with the qualification
Yes.
because the ratio of the judgment with relates to the qualification, my lord. That's why recruitment oblique notification relates with the qualification that has been prescribed by the amendment dated 5th of July 2000.
That is what. That is what.
My lord, the one part, my lord,
आप तो दोनों मेहुल दोनों में आते ना, मेहुल घर
My lord.
आप 1 और 3 में थे ना, 2 में तो ये थे ना, ठीक है.
My lord, at least an interim period that
Law
they will allow the admit card. At least they will issue the admit
No,
card.
dear, sorry, dear,
they
sorry,
are
dear.
my lord,
We
my lord,
we
my lord,
were there to help you out, dear.
My lord, my
But
respect.
after the order
my
of
lord,
the
only
apex
my,
court is
my one part, my
there.
lord, may I appreciate only one last part, my lord. But that this judgment, my lord, before 24/7/2024, my lord, which is the date of notification of the or advertisement of the civil judge examination, my lord. Prior to that, my lord, the judgment which was under Article 141 is under in force, my lord. That is the 2002 judgment. So, my lord, I will challenge that part.